more you will refine your data, the more meaningful it will become. समझ रहे हो? आपको जितना इजी वे में मैं चीजों को समझाऊंगी, आपको उतना अच्छा समझ में आए, बिकॉज it is the refined thing which is coming to you. कभी कभी क्या होता है, पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में नहीं आता है in your studies also, but sometimes somewhere or any of your faculties or your friend tell you explain it in one line. Why? Because उसने पूरा refine करके निकाल के आपको दे दिया वो चीज. So this is the way we are doing and processing these data on a रियल टाइम बेसिस. डेली वाला भी कॉन्सेप्ट अब नहीं है, रियल टाइम बेसिस पे. अभी हमने इतने सिस्टम, इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम्स, एप्लीकेशन, सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में बात की. स्टूडेंट्स, द डार्कर साइड ऑफ इट इज, as a faculty I should not discuss the darker side, but you will also understand that it is growing the data exponentially. आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो कि किस, मतलब एक फिगर ही नहीं पकड़ पा रहे हैं कि किस रेट से डेटा इंक्रीज हो रही है. And you cannot leave your single data idle. Each and every data is important for the organization. It's growing exponentially, and these actually we are, कहते हैं ना, बहुत अच्छा terminology है, we are living in a data bombardment zone. You are bombarded with so much of information and the data, you really get confused what to follow, what not to follow. अभी आपको कोई assignment दो, आप तुरंत सब कहाँ जाते हैं? सब जाते हैं. It's not जनरलाइजिंग. सब वी ऑल गो, हमें कुछ नया पता होना था, सब कहाँ पहुंचते हैं? गूगल पे. यस, एक टॉपिक है उसके लिए 1000 इंफॉर्मेशन, 1000 आई एम टॉकिंग लेस, मोर, उससे भी ज्यादा, 1000 इंफॉर्मेशन और द डेटाज आर अवेलेबल. क्या, व्हाट टू सेलेक्ट, विच इज करेक्ट, विच इज मोर रिलायबल? यू नेवर नो. हम इंफॉर्मेशन क्वालिटी आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. How to decide that we are getting a qualitative information. So this is the way we have to just think around it. इसीलिए जितना contextualize है आपका data, categorized है, calculated है, condensed है, your data can be transformed and processed into information in a better way. So what is data? This is the fact, figures which relay something specific but which are not organized in any way. It is not at all organized. But how we process these data, students, याद करो, कोई rocket science नहीं है. How you process your data? By contextualizing it, by categorizing it, by calculating it and condensing it. You can process this data into information and derive something meaningful out of it. Okay? अभी देखो, आप लोग सब कोई ATM मशीन से पैसे विड्रॉ करते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स, all of you, हम सब करते हैं.
Yes,
on a daily basis हम लोग सब करते हैं. And when you withdraw money, you get your message immediately.
yes.
क्या है? ये डेटा है आपके लिए भी, बैंक्स के लिए भी. Okay, ये डेटा है. But when you prepare, when you get your monthly report, monthly transactions history, when it is coming to you, it is in the form of information. Why? Because it is categorized properly, it is structured properly, it is condensed properly, so that when you see to it, immediately you get to know, okay, I have withdrawn so much of money, I have spent so much of money. So like that. And same is with the organization, that how they are managing their customers, how the information, money flow is of the different customers. अभी एक और रिसर्च हुआ था जिसमें फाइंड आउट हुआ कि अभी एटीएम की यूजेबिलिटी हैज ड्रास्टिकली फॉलन. It's a serious sign, because many things are happening cashless, and these all payment gateways have grown like anything. So this is the way. अब डेटा कहाँ पे आ रहा है? आपका डेटा दूसरे तरीके से आ रहा है, from a different medium. So you never know when the things will change. When you were getting from the ATM machines, आपको different withdrawals आपको दिखते थे. अब आपको कोई भी ऐप बता देगा, कोई भी पेमेंट गेटवे बता देगा कि उनके पास कितने कस्टमर्स हैं and how much transactions they are doing on a daily basis. Getting my point? So this is the way how we just see to it. Then obviously at the top level we have knowledge management system. Knowledge, information. पहले कहते थे ना, हम information driven economy, and now we are knowledge driven economy. Especially talking about India, we are the knowledge driven economy. Why? Because we know the know-how, experience, insight, understanding and contextualizing those information. that in which context, which type of decision was taken up, that is the knowledge for any organization. Just now you all, one of you have said that because in the pandemic time it was not feasible and it was a not a good decision for Amazon to in that particular scenario. So they just switched to something else which was molded by the customers. Okay, so उन्होंने वहाँ पे switch किया. So क्या हुआ, ये experience है, insight है which they have got. It has become a knowledge that you have to be very situation specific and you have to be very much strategic in nature. As and when whichever situation is there, you have to change as per your requirements. We also do. So think of the organization. हम क्यों मतलब बोलते हैं ना, change is the most inevitable thing in this world. You have to change every time. If you're not changing, you are at loss. You have to upgrade yourself. You have to innovate yourself. अभी कहते हैं human resource upgradation, innovation. पहले बोलते थे कि innovation product और services का होता है. आज resources का भी होता है, human resources का भी innovation. You never know. अभी ये सब subjects है. अभी talking about our Python and all. We were not having the subjects in our college. We were having all together 2007 में hard code, C++, Java, data structure ये सब पढ़ते थे. अभी आज के date में I'm not using it also. I have upgraded myself. I have done my PhD in knowledge management system in supply chain management. So if I will not upgrade myself, if I will not innovate myself, how I am going to do and how I am going to exist in the market? Nobody is going to ask me. So I have upgraded. मैं Python सीखा है, R सीखा है, सब कुछ. Excel तो हमेशा से रहा है, तो उसको कोई सीखा नहीं, खुद ही सीखा. So this is the way you upgrade. And now same with happening. अभी तो हमारे टाइम में फिर भी ये skill set upgradation was taking time. Now in your generation, maybe what you are learning today, maybe it will become absolute. Maybe after by the time you are joining the organization. I'm not just telling you something fearful, but this is the scenario, students. That is why we just tell everyone, upgrade yourself, increase your knowledge level. Increase, that will actually increase your insight and the way of doing the things. Okay, any problem here, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay, चलो ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे, data information करके we will wind up. Data, what is that? That is the fact and figures which convey something very much specific, but which are not organized in any way, what we discussed just now, and which provide no further information regarding patterns, contexts, etc. ऐसा कुछ भी हमें नहीं पता. This is unstructured facts and figures that have the least impact on the typical manager. आपके लिए मैनेजर के लिए या फिर एक नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए इसका कोई यूज नहीं है. बस आपको पता, अभी मैं आपको बता दूं 12 PM 2 जून 12 PM, क्या इसका क्या मीनिंग हुआ? बोलोगे ना मैम क्या बोल रहे हो, ये क्या हुआ? You immediately you will respond to me, मैम what 12 PM and 2nd of June. आप लोगों के दिमाग में खलबली मच जाएगी. क्या है? फिगर, फैक्ट है, बस एक मैंने बता दिया. अभी क्या है, अभी मैं उसको बताऊंगी ना कि today you are having class at 12 PM on 2nd of June. Then it becomes information. I have contextualized it properly. I have provided a meaning to it properly. तब आपको एक बार में समझ में आ जाएगा, okay, we have class. But if I just give you that figures, it will create confusion. But that is also very important. Okay, so this is the way we just see to the data. Informations, for data to become information, it was be contextualized, categorized, calculated, and condensed, obviously, which we just discussed now. And information that paints a bigger picture. It is data with relevance and purpose. Okay, what do you understand by relevance and purpose? Yes, students?
Relevance means to the point or something.
How it is related to your situation. अभी मैं आपको ऐसा कुछ information दूं which is of no use to you, then it is just a waste for you, na? If I will tell you the time of your seniors, I will give you the information about your seniors class कि उनका क्लास इतने बजे से, तो क्या हो? कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. What to do then? is of no use. Information का एक बहुत important concept है, right information to right person at right point of time. Right information means right person को पहुंचाना है and on the correct time. If it is not done, आपका सारा system is of no use. It is just a waste. Just the garbage in and garbage out. आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि दैट इट प्रोवाइड्स रेलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन टू द पर्सन एट द करेक्ट टाइम एंड सॉल्व हिज पर्पस ऑफ द डिसीजन मेकिंग. अदरवाइज एक बहुत अच्छा टर्मिनोलॉजीज हो जाता है, गार्बेज इन हो रहा है, गार्बेज आउट हो रहा है, डेटा इन हो रहा है, डेटा आउट हो रहा है, वैसे भी क्लीनिंग ही चल रही है उसमें. Okay, so it may convey a trend in the environment or perhaps indicates a pattern of a sales for a given period of time. Essentially, information is found in answers to questions that begin with such words that who did it. Obviously, अब data में जब ये provide करते हैं, who did it, what they did, where they did, when they did, and how many. जैसे who, which salesman did this sales in the any particular area. What did this sale? ठीक है, what did they sell, where did they sell, in which region did they sell, when, okay, when, in which month, in first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, ये देखना है, and how many, what was the number of their sales. अगर आप ये डेटा ऐसे पूरा बना रहे हो, then it is giving you a proper information to the managers to think of, okay, in this particular region, in northern region, this particular salesman have done a wonderful sales. He has sold so many of the products in a very short span. समझ रहे? इससे क्या होता है कि आप एक ट्रेंड निकल रहा है कि अच्छा हमारे नॉर्दर्न रीजन में हमारे सारे सेल्समैन ने बहुत अच्छा सेल्स किया, इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन उनका सेलिंग बहुत अच्छा हुआ. सो एक पैटर्न पता चला कि नॉर्दर्न रीजन में वी हैड अ गुड रीच टू आवर कस्टमर्स, बट कंपेयरिंग इट विद द साउदर्न रीजन, नो, इट इज नॉट हैपनिंग. So इसके लिए आपके पास डेटा प्रॉपर आना चाहिए, then easily you can transform those data into proper information. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion? Bas, last time, then reminder. It is usually invaluable in the capacity of turning data into information, particularly in larger firms that generate large amounts of data across multiple departments and functions. And the human brain is mainly needed to assist in contextualization. There is a great myth, students. Earlier also, there when the information systems and all these types of information systems were coming in the market, when we were also in school, tab ye aaya tha, especially in the banking sector, when these types of myths were created that computer is going, पहले उस टाइम पे था कंप्यूटर, लोग ऐसे बोलते थे अभी कंप्यूटर आ गया हमारी सबकी जॉब चली जाए. But was it true? But was it true? No, a big no. Banking and insurance sector is one of the highest job provider sector in our country in present scenario. सबसे ज़्यादा. Why? Because of the usability of the devices and the information systems, your reach has been grown tremendously comparing to the past. आपके ज्यादा ब्रांचेस ओपन हो गए हैं, आप मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो अपने कस्टमर्स को, and you are controlling. Actually, your information system has facilitated you in the controlling of the transactions and keeping a keen eye that what all transactions are happening in your bank in whichever area. Just pick any rural area, कोई भी आप remotest area का आप निकाल के ले सकते हो कि क्या transaction. So it has made the system much more transparent in nature. Now again, when these types of new technologies which are now coming in, अभी present scenario में again एक नया myth आ रहा है कि now these type of systems, machine learning, AI और ये सब की analytics जितनी हो रही है, इस वजह से again there is a huge कहते हैं ना, it will create a huge impact on jobs of some of the managerial jobs. It's threat actually. Is it true? Processing तो सारा आपका system कर रहा है, then what human is going to do? Did you get my point? What I'm asking?
No.
No.
No, ma'am.
अभी जो ये लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज, एआई, मशीन लर्निंग हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे आगे, ये सब आ रहे हैं, सिस्टम्स आर बिकमिंग मोर एंड मोर सोफिस्टिकेटेड. सो जनरली ये सब मार्केट में मिथ्स आते रहते हैं कि दे आर गोइंग टू गिव ग्रेट थ्रेट टू द कमिंग मैनेजरियल पोजीशंस जॉब. डू यू एग्री विद दिस स्टेटमेंट कि सबके जॉब चले जाएंगे बिकॉज
No.
ऑफ?
No,
No,
ma'am. No.
ma'am.
No,
Very
ma'am.
good. I'm so happy.
None is needed.
No, a big no. In fact, these will create more jobs
Yes, ma'am.
because
Yes.
data इतना ज्यादा है. And in today's scenario, आपके पास पैसा हो ना हो, organization के पास data होना चाहिए. It's the biggest asset, biggest and the biggest asset. And you should know how to transform data into information. अगर ये है, then you can just do anything. You can be a very good strategic thinker. Okay, so this is the way. You just keep on upgrading yourself. Okay, and this will facilitate you in getting good opportunities, better opportunities, what have you have not even thought of. Okay, so this is the way how we will be dealing in the next class also, and we'll come up with some more example students. जितना हम ज़्यादा अपने आप को live examples के साथ connect करेंगे, the more you will become familiar with the concepts. Okay, so I'm just winding up the class over here. Any problem, any issues, or anything you want to share, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
कुछ तो बोलो. Any feedback?
Ma'am, this class is very informative.
Okay, okay. है informative है क्योंकि आप लोग information दे रहे हो इसलिए.
much
Info-
much
No,
effective,
समझ
much
लो, ये
effective.
information system की क्लास है तो informative नहीं करोगे तो कैसे हम justify करेंगे इसको?
Yes.
Getting this is information system for managers. So if we are
Interesting.
not, yes, obviously, no, we have to justify our subject. So make it interactive. Come up with good examples. Read. Okay, students. Latest चीजें पढ़ो, समझो, देखो. You're not going to be the hardcore developer. एक और केस स्टडी में नेक्स्ट क्लास में आप लोगों को डिस्कस करूंगी कि मैनेजर्स को क्यों पढ़ाते हैं, क्यों इसके पीछे जरूरत है. ठीक है, ये
Yes.
सब बहुत जरूरी है समझने के लिए. So we will discuss. We'll again meet on Friday. Take care, all of you. Bye.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.